Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. This one, the utility sinks. As we can see, they have three big compartments. And let's take the overall sizes first. The entire lengths, they are about like a 77 and 3 and 4 inches wide. And the overall height for the unit is about like a 43 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 30 inches. So as we can see, the unit don't have the gym bar on the side. So from the edge to the bottoms, they are about like a 3 feet 36 inches. Okay, we can take closer to see the inner dimension of the sink. As we can see, they're having two faucet connection positions, and diameters for the two hole betweens, they are above the almost like a 8 inches and a 1/4. And for the sink, we can take a measurement. They are about like a 2 feet wide and 2 feet long and 1 foot deep. Also, they come in from the manufacturers, have the accessory, the filters. They have 3 of those inside the sink. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.